investing into cryptocurrencies such as Dogecoin is that other cryptocurrencies are dependent basically on each other. So most of the time, whenever you see Bitcoin pumping, you'll see Ethereum pumping. But sometimes you'll see one of those pumping up faster and better than the others, or one might be kind of stagnant while the other is pumping. So you have to understand that the crypto market kind of moves together, and they almost form like one unit. However, there are other cryptocurrencies that doesn't even matter what's going on with the other cryptocurrencies, that they continue to go up, like Uniswap. That thing has been going up massively every single day. Despite Bitcoin dropping and Ethereum dropping, and despite the stock market, that thing has been going up, and I've recently discovered it, and I've been investing in that. That thing is amazing. However, we are talking about Dogecoin. So yes, as I have said, just understand Dogecoin has dropped because people are taking profits and people are prevented from buying it. So we believe that Robinhood is probably going to open it back up for new people to get into Dogecoin, especially with the volatility is a lot less. And other investors are going to be finding other avenues like Kraken, like I mentioned, in other websites to purchase Dogecoin. So we are going to be seeing, especially most likely next week, with the accompaniment of Wall Street and the Wall Street bets, the GameStop, the AMC, all those other stocks, when those things start to go back up, next week it's just going to bring more hype into the market. People are going to be at home, bored, with money to play around, and they're going to be getting back into Dogecoin. So a lot of it also depends on Elon Musk and other celebrities and other well-known people who pump this thing up. And interestingly enough, what really pumped this thing up, of course, was, Elon Musk and other people, but it was Satoshi bets, and not Wall Street bets, that originally has been pumping up Dogecoin. So if you guys want to check out that on Reddit, they talk a lot about Dogecoin, and they are pumping it up, and they have a lot of information to keep you guys updated and figure out what's going on. So that is why however, I believe that Dogecoin is trace upward. We saw Dogecoin hit a bottom, and it has since bounced up, and this is Saturday nights are usually pretty big. Not the last couple weekends, but most of the time. Other days, there's certain days that cryptos pop off, but I believe that it's possible that Dogecoin could be brought up. So I would encourage you guys to just keep your eye on Dogecoin. If you did buy the dip, that is a good thing. At this point, we could see a big retracement back. So this could be also a pretty good entry, but we need to see with more confirmation, a reversal to the upside, and not just a normal because we are currently from today that we are in a downtrend. However, we did that was the bottom, and that we are now trending to the upside and starting a new trend. So that is certainly a possibility that we are now in an uptrend, and that it's going to be going back up, especially as we see Bitcoin and Ethereum starting to pump today, which is a great sign for Bitcoin and Ethereum. But I mean, it is truly significant for Dogecoin to retrace all the way back down to this 2-cent level. It's nearly 3 cents right now, which is really good because we did see a major dip. Where was it? About 2 cents, 2.19 or whatever it was. So that's a pretty big reversal to the upside, and we're seeing live right now that there is a engulfing candle showing a lot of buying, and we are just about to break 3 cents. So it's possible we could see like maybe 4, 5, 6 cents tonight. I am not sure, but it's certainly possible, especially with these other cryptos kind of popping off. So let's go ahead and do a detailed chart analysis just quickly so we can look at Dogecoin and see what it is possibly going to be doing. Now, the importance of using technical chart analysis coupled with fundamental analysis can help us understand better the next possible movements with more education. So there's two types of basically understanding what trading is. Fundamental analysis is looking at charts and using patterns to predict or to foresee the next possible movements with likeliness. And fundamental analysis is understanding the fundamentals, the reasons why you invest in something like Bitcoin. The fundamental analysis in that is that there's a limited supply and that all these institutions are jumping in because there's inflation. There's all these things and reasons for us to believe in investment. So that is fundamental analysis. And we can use fundamental analysis for a positive outlook or a negative outlook and why we would maybe want to short something or not be in it. But right now we're going to be doing some technical chart analysis on Dogecoin. And the first thing we're going to do is we are going to create a trend line. On the top, this is our resistance, and the bottom are levels of support. And it looks like this thing is forming a symmetrical triangle. And the symmetrical triangle is not necessarily a price action, which could be bullish or bearish. Bullish means that it would be more likely that it is going to be going up, and bearish it is more in a downwards or negative stance to the downside. Let me go ahead and form a line. My level of support. That in the next few moments, we are in a 30-minute time frame. So what this means is that if we can break this trend line to the upside, we are and we see the candle break past it and outside of it, close outside of it, that shows a bullish pattern, which gives us a buying signal. Lets us know for sure that we are in an uptrend, and that is when you want to make an entry. You know for sure with confirmation. At this point, we are going up. We've reversed from this recent level, and we've touched nearly 3% and 50, 0.035. We've touched that. We can easily come back up and test it. See if we can break past that level of resistance. There's our resistance. 0.45. If we can break that and confirm outside of it with another candle, bullish stance, and that we're going to be breaking higher levels of resistance. Tracing down, going back down. Starting to fill up. Likely, we can certainly see Dogecoin 3 cents above tonight, so I'll keep your eye on it. And if we can see some upwards movement for sure with confirmation, that would be your signal to buy. And just to let you guys know, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is just for education purposes and entertainment. So overall, I am bullish on Dogecoin, and I believe that this thing is going to be headed to the moon. And I'm going to try to be one of those people to try to help you. Let it sit, and whatever happens, but never invest money that you are not able to lose, and only invest a small portion of your portfolio, no more than 10% at a time, because if it were to go to zero or depreciate greatly, you would not be affected greatly, and you could easily recover. So do not go selling everything you have to put into Dogecoin, and do not go out selling your parents' house and getting their mortgage in order to fund your Doge investment. Invest what you are able to invest. So that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe if you were interested in this type of channel where I put out stock videos and cryptocurrencies. And I really appreciate all of the comments in the last video. I appreciate all of your support and criticism. So stay tuned.
Everyone manages their money differently. So why are you investing in a one-size-fits-all portfolio? With M1 Finance, you can combine any stock, fund, or expert portfolio to create something that's totally, well, you. You can even automate your investment.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. I am bringing you another Dogecoin video. I think it's important that we talk about what's going on. I've seen a lot of people panicking, a lot of people worried about what's going on with Dogecoin because people were buying in at the top of this mountain. And yeah, so I'm just going to sort of give you my input on this, get my words out, my personal input and what I think is going to happen. And yeah, you can take this advice whichever way you want to take it. And hopefully it will help you guys, So if you're new to the crypto industry or if you're new to my channel, please drop a like, give me a subscribe. And even if you've been around for a while and you've been watching it, this is also going to help you guys as well because, if you want to invest into this coin, we can really discuss what's the best way to go about it. But yeah, before I dive into it, I need to let you know I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my own personal opinions on the market. So please always do your own research before investing any money. That being said, I'm not laughing at anyone that obviously bought in because it's a horrible thing to go through, but I'm just laughing at the fact that how insane the news has been and everything around Dogecoin has been over the last 24 hours. And I said this in my very first video, guys, when I first spoke about Dogecoin, and there was a lot of people in that comment section saying to me, oh, he doesn't know what he's talking about and he doesn't know. And some of those people actually came back to me and said, I'm sorry, you was right. And it's cool, thank you. It's nice to hear apologies, but it's not about apologies. Drop my whole mic on you. It's not about apologies. It's about all of us trying to, get the benefits or the best of what we can out of what we've done, right? And at the end of the day, we're all here to make money. And this is what I'm about to do now, is trying to help you, or what I personally think we should be doing and looking, right? So as it stands, this chart has absolutely played out the way I said it would. And you can check my videos here which says it, and I think it was this one that I showed you. If it came as low as this yellow line, which is a moving average, it's actually called a 21-day moving average. It's very significant in most traditional stocks, and whichever kind of stock you want to trade, most people use this. And it held support there and it just broke it. So we need to look at this chart. And again, I don't usually like doing technical analysis in my videos, but so far it's